There are basically 6 criteria for hijab that are mentioned in the glorious Quran and the authentic hadith. The first is the extent for the man and for the woman. For the man, it's from the navel till the knee. And for the woman, it is the complete body should be covered. The only parts that can be seen are the face and the hands up to the wrist. The remaining 5 criteria, same for the man and for the woman. Second, the clothes they wear, it should be loose. It should not be tight-fitting. It should not reveal the figure. Third, it should not be translucent or transparent. Fourth, it should not be so glamorous that it attracts the opposite sex. Fifth, it should not be that of the opposite sex. And sixth, that it should not resemble that of the unbelievers. These are basically 6 criteria for hijab that are mentioned in the glorious Quran and the authentic hadith. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Azab, chapter number 33, verse number 59, Ya ayyuhan nabiyyu, kulli azwajika wa banatika wa nisa'il mu'minin. O Prophet, tell your wives and your daughters and the believing women that when they go abroad to put on their cloak, so that they shall be recognized and it will prevent them from being molested. I would like to give you an example. If there are twin sisters who are equally beautiful and they are walking down the streets of Colombo, and one is dressed in the hijab, that is the complete body is covered, the only parts that can be seen are the face and the hands up to the wrist. And the other one is dressed in the mini skirts or shorts. And if there's a hooligan who's waiting for a catch, who's waiting to tease a girl, I'm asking the question that which girl will he tease? But natural, the girl in the mini skirts or shorts. You invite, so you'll receive. Islam has prescribed hijab for the woman. And after that, if any man rapes any woman, capital penalty, death penalty. Someone might say death penalty in this 21st century. Islam is a barbaric religion. Islam is a ruthless religion. You know, America, happening to be one of the most advanced countries of the world, it has the highest rate of rape. According to the FBI report, in the year 1990 alone, 1756 rapes took place. 1996, according to US Department of Justice, 2,713 women were raped. 1990, 1756. 1996, 2,713. Maybe the Americans, they got bolder in the span of 6 years. I'm asking the question that if you implement the Islamic Sharia in USA, that every woman, her complete body should be covered. The only parts that can be seen are the face and the hands up to the wrist. And after that, if any man rapes any woman, capital penalty, death penalty. I'm asking the question, will the rate of rape in America, will it increase? Will it remain the same or will it decrease? But naturally it will decrease. You implement the Sharia and you get results. Therefore, the least rate of rape in any country in the world, it's in Saudi Arabia. You implement the Sharia and you get results.